Hey everyone, welcome to my another video. So don't get scared. I know this is computer instead of science. Yeah, I have already told you in the previous class that I will be discussing computers some days instead of science. So as we have one class only in a whole week, so I have swapped with science. So some of the days I will be doing the revision on science and some of the days I will be teaching computer. So today it goes for computer. So this is the second chapter and the name of the chapter is computer and its uses. You know the uses of a computer. It is used all over the world. A number of things can be done on a computer. Let us discuss how it helps us in doing our work. Yeah, computer helps us in many ways that we know, we have learned, and today we will be discussing about how computer helps us in our day-to-day life. Let's see. One can use internet, one can draw and color pictures, one can send and receive emails, one can play games, one can write stories, and one can also do numericals, means sums. You can listen poems, write letters, watch movies, design greeting cards. One can do many jobs on a computer. That is why computers are used at many places. Yeah. So with the help of your computer, what you can do? You can use internet to watch a movie. You can, or surfing on internet can also be done. You can draw and color pictures also, whatever you wish for. You can send and receive emails. Emails are a kind of messages. So, and you can also play games also. That is your favorite pastime, no? Yeah. And write stories. If you are fond of stories, you can write it on your computer in MS Word. And so many people does this. Yeah, they love to write. So they, instead of using pen and pencil, they prefer computer to write. You can do numericals, means you can do sums, you can do calculations also as a calculator. Computers are also used, means they have a hidden option of calculator in computers. One can listen poems. Yeah, you can listen poems what your other teachers give you, right? The poem means your poem teacher. She gives you sometimes the poems of English, no? Means your English teacher. So that you can also watch, or you can also hear them in computer by saving it into your PC. You can write letters. Yeah, you can write a letter to me also if you wish. You can watch movies on computer, your favorite movies, and design greeting cards. Yeah, and for personal work that we will be discussing. This is why computers are used at many places. Like what you can do with computer, it is already mentioned above. Now for what other purpose you can use computer, that is also given. Let's see. We can use a computer for our personal work at home. The personal work means calculations, playing music, or listening to not playing music, playing games, listening to music, or any other works that you prefer doing on computer, you can do at your home. And in a school, how computers are used, a teacher teaches subjects on a computer in school. Like take an example of these days, because these days we are not coming to school to teach you, right? So we are using our phones. Some teachers are using their computers to teach you particular subjects. Computers are used by the pilot in an aeroplane in an aeroplane, computers are used as a navigator. Like pilots used to see the navigations on the computer and fly the aeroplanes. Employees work in offices on the computer, right? In bank, in IT sectors, whatever office you call it, people or employees use their computer to store information or to do their work, particularly on computer. Computers are also used in hospitals. Why in hospitals? Yeah, to keep a track record of medicines of patients and doctors also, and to give you some particular information about anything you want, or you can appoint a doctor through computer. Yeah. What other things computer help us with? Computers are used in factories also to run a machine. We get railway and air tickets without any trouble from a computer. Yeah, we book tickets, right, through computers. So this is also a way to use computer. A shopkeeper in shops and malls prepares bill from a computer. So the shopkeepers use, instead of giving you a simple page, so they used to generate a particular receipt or a bill from computer and handed over to you to keep it as a proof record. So yeah, so this is how computers are used at home and in other places also. So whenever you go outside, you just do notice how people are using computers in what ways also. Okay, so this will be your task. And jokes apart, don't go outside nowadays. So stay at home and stay safe, and also just go through this chapter, and if you get stuck in somewhere, just let me know, I will help you out. So yeah, and this much for today, and in the next class I will give you the exercise of this particular chapter. So yeah, till then, take care and bye.